How to recover lost account on COC. Welcome back to Glitch Sorcerer, and let's get right into this tutorial. To recover your COC account, all you can do is tap on the blue icon that is present in your COC game to navigate to your help and support agent. In there, by using your login ID or your Supercell ID, you'll be able to recover your account. However, you no longer have access to your Supercell ID, you can follow the next step of visiting the help and support of Supercell. In here, to recover your account, you can navigate to the section of Appeal to Recover. In there, by tapping on the portal, you can add your gamer ID or anything that you can remember relating to your past Supercell ID. Now you can give them an appeal about recovery and how you do not have your access to your Supercell ID. Your appeal will be thoroughly reviewed by the Supercell help and support team. If it looks legitimate, it will help you with the instruction given on the email address that will be provided by you, which is currently active. And that is all for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.